is that the spectre called Azimio is not an option when it comes to partnership. Indeed, this thing is neither an Azimio nor about unity. It is about the self-preservation of some cunning individuals. The patterns are only well-known and predictable. Wamepoteza frequency na network. We have had enough of these self-preservation schemes. Tumechoka. Enough is enough. Tusidanganyane. We will not work with you. Meanwhile, I pledge to place my fellow citizens disposal I pledge to place at my fellow citizens' disposal my solid, tested and proven ability to restore the Kenyan economy from the doldrums. The present predicaments are not different from the economic meltdown that I successfully handled in the early 1990s as Kenya's finance minister. The country was broke. Kenya was an international pariah. Bilateral and multilateral lenders shunned us because borrowed sovereign money had gone down corrupt throats.
I want to confirm on behalf of UDA and my team that we will work with ANC, we will work with Fort Kenya and all the other parties that want to work and walk this journey of bringing Kenya together. On the issues, on the three most important issues, listening to my brother Musalia Mudavadi. Number one is that we are going to raise the bar of leadership. We are going to raise the standard of leadership so that deceit and lies and conmanship does not become part of the equation of leadership in Kenya. Every leader's word must be their bond at the very minimum. And it is expected by Kenyans and by fellow leaders that we can match what we say with what we do, and we can keep our word. Because there is no other way of judging a leader other than keeping their word. The second issue is the issue of ensuring that we protect and consolidate our democracy. That every Kenyan, as provided for by the Constitution, can make choices. Can make choices of friends, can make choices of policies, can make choices of leaders, can make choices of policies. And that we as a nation must resist and refuse the criminalization of dissent or alternative views. That the criminal justice system cannot be weaponized to drive political narratives, to drive political programs, to erect political projects for purposes of making Kenya a preserve for those in power and those who wield authority. This Kenya must belong to everybody, as ordinary as they come.
Mimi nimewaona nyinyi wawili hapa nikashtuka, wewe na huyu Hasla, na ikanikumbusha jambo moja. You guys have been kingmakers. In 2002, nyinyi wawili mulitengeneza na mukasacrifice your even personal aspirations, mukasupport Uhuru Kenyatta. Ni hiyo 2002 imefanya Uhuru Kenyatta kawa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. In 2007, nyinyi wawili tena mukashikana, mukasupport Raila Amolo Odinga. Ni nyinyi mmepatia Raila nguvu paka anaingia kwa serikali kupitia dirisha nini paka anafika pale ndani. In 2017 na 2013, naibu wa rais ni wewe ndio umeshikilia President Uhuru Kenyatta kawa rais. In 2017 ni wewe Musalia ulishikilia Raila. You even sacrificed your aspiration. Akakuwa pale mbele ukashikilia Raila na ukashikilia Kalonzo. You have been kingmakers before. Today we want to declare that you are going to be the kings. Nyinyi mumefanya kazi. Mheshimiwa Musalia, when you are supporting Uhuru, haukuangalia kabila yake. Mheshimiwa Ruto, when you are supporting Raila and Uhuru, hamukuangalia kabila zao. Leo tunataka kuambia sisi kama vijana wa Kenya, we are going to support you too. Hatutaangalia kabila zenyu. We are going to make sure you are the kings of this republic.
When Musalia MUDAVADI said that there would be an earthquake on Sunday the 23rd, I wasn't sure how this earthquake is going to look like. And when my friend Omwami Musalia, you build this as an earthquake, many people were wondering just like me. But today, it is confirmed that there was indeed an earthquake in Kenya. Because a man spoke for millions of Kenyans. I want to say to the ANC fraternity, congratulations on choosing a man who is tested, a man who is focused to drive the agenda of your party. Congratulations to the ANC fraternity, and congratulations to my friend Musalia MUDAVADI for the duty and the high calling that the people and the membership of ANC have placed on your shoulders. I am confident, sitting where I am, that you are equal to the task. Today marks a turning point in the politics of the Republic of Kenya. Today marks a new page in the political discourse of our nation. I say so because Musalia Mudavadi has spoken to the heart of our nation, to the issues of our nation, to the challenges of our nation. And I want to say here that Musalia Mudavadi has stood tall like no other time.